I was spending hours cleaning up my footage before I could even start the video editing process. If this is you, I'm going to show you how I turned this around. Hi, my name is Annie and I'm going to show you the tool that all the top creators and their video editing teams are using to make their workflows 10 times faster and actually fun. This tool is called FireCut. FireCut is a plugin for Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve that helps you go from your raw footage to your first cut in just a few minutes. And let me show you how. This is Premiere Pro and this is the FireCut extension fully integrated in it. It has 13 features which are grouped into 5 categories. The first 4 features are for cleaning up the footage. The next 4 are for enhancing the footage. Then the next 2 are to add more media. And then these 2 are specifically for long form content like multicam podcast editing and creating shorts from YouTube videos. And lastly, we have workflows. Now let's see a few of these in action. The first step of editing videos is generally cleaning up the footage. So I'm going to go to this remove silences feature over here. Removing dead spaces from a video can typically take hours. But if I go over here and just with the default settings press go, FireCut will analyze the audio and remove all the dead spaces from it automatically within seconds. Similarly, I can also automate removal of repeat takes. If I go to this remove repetition feature, FireCut detects and removes repeat takes for me. I can manually check and remove these or auto accept last takes or the longest take. Next, I want to show you my favorite feature, that is animated captions. Now I will go to animated captions over here. FireCut will transcribe your video for you. It can transcribe and translate in more than 50 languages. Once the video is transcribed, you can check and edit the transcript, although it is generally almost 100% accurate every time. Here you can see there are a bunch of presets that are readily available. You can choose any of these or you can completely edit these to create your own style and save it as your own preset. Here are the changes that I have made, and then I will just add stylized captions to my sequence. And like this, you can create beautiful animated captions that you see all over social media done by your favorite creators for yourself as well. Similarly, I can use the other features to enhance my video even more. I'll show you the zoom effects over here. So I will simply go to add zooms over here, and in a one-click solution, it will add beautiful zoom effects on all the important or funny bits that it has detected in your transcript. These are fully customizable. You can add more, remove the ones that it has suggested, or even change the style of the zoom that it has created for you. Along with playing around with this A-roll that you have, you can also add more media, for example, B-roll and music. So if I just go to the Find B-roll feature over here, FireCut will provide you B-roll from story blocks, and the subscription is already included in your FireCut license, and it provides you royalty-free premium quality footage. But if you have any other online library or you want to use your own B-roll, it can source media from there as well. So you can either use this in automatic mode where the AI will detect what footage you need for the video based on the theme of the video, or you can manually search for a specific video. For example, I really like using these paper video effects for background for some of my videos. Now there's a lot more features in FireCut. As you can see, I haven't touched all of them, but just to conclude the little demo, I would love to show you our multicam podcast editing feature. It is super efficient and really popular among podcasters. So I will simply go to the multitrack feature and I will have 2 videos and 2 audios. So all I have to do is label audio 1 and video 1 to one speaker and audio 2 and video 2 to the other speaker. And FireCut will analyze the footage and show the right speaker at the right time. If one speaker is speaking for too long, you can also use our auto balance feature to show the other speaker in between or show wide shots in between to keep the video more engaging. If this is something that you feel like can automate a lot of your boring, manual, tedious tasks and give you your most precious resource, your time back, then feel free to start a free trial and explore all of this and more in the FireCut app. Thank you so much for your time. If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to reach out. Thank you. Bye.